To begin, launch the Snapchat app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into your account. Then, swipe right from the camera screen, or tap the chat icon at the bottom to access your chats. In the bottom right corner, tap the new chat icon. From the menu, select New Group. From here, you can assign a name to your new group. Now, select the friends you want to add to the group chat. You can choose multiple friends at once. Once you have finished selecting friends, tap Chat with Group. And that's it. Your Snapchat group chat has been successfully created. Tapping the group name at the top will give you access to several options. If you tap the three dots in the top right corner, you will see more options, including Leave Group, Clear Conversation, Edit Group Name, and more. Everyone in the group can send messages, snaps, stickers, voice notes, and even start group calls. So that's how you can create and manage a group chat on Snapchat.